This is Earth, nearly 600 million years ago. A silent world covered by endless oceans. No dinosaurs, no forests, no humans. Yet beneath these ancient waters, the first animals were about to change. Life forever. The young Earth was harsh and unforgiving. Massive volcanoes erupted without warning. Violent storms shook the skies, and endless oceans covered almost the entire planet. Yet, beneath these turbulent waters, life was quietly preparing to begin. Beneath the endless waves, a quiet world existed. Sunlight reached the ocean floor, where the perfect conditions for life were slowly coming together. Earth's greatest story was about to begin. Then, at last, life appeared. Tiny single-celled organisms drifted through the ancient oceans, feeding, growing, and multiplying. They were the first spark of life on Earth. Then, something extraordinary happened. Instead of living alone, some cells began working together, forming the first multicellular organisms. This simple partnership marked the first step toward complex life on Earth. No longer alone, these cells united as one. Together, they formed the first multicellular life on Earth, a breakthrough that would eventually lead to every plant, animal, and human that ever lived. As millions of years passed, life took another incredible step. The first animals appeared, quietly spreading across the ocean floor. Though simple in form, they would become the ancestors of every animal alive today. One of the first animals to thrive was the sponge. It had no brain, no eyes, no bones, and no organs. Despite its simplicity, it survived for millions of years in Earth's ancient oceans. As millions of years passed, Earth's oceans became home to mysterious soft-bodied creatures. Though simple in design, they marked the beginning of a remarkable journey that would soon change life forever. Evolution was gaining momentum. Simple creatures slowly transformed into more complex forms, each adapting in unique ways. The ancient seas were becoming a living world unlike anything Earth had ever seen. With each passing million years, evolution created remarkable new life forms. Armored bodies, powerful movements, and new survival strategies transformed the ancient oceans into a world filled with incredible creatures. Suddenly, evolution accelerated. During the Cambrian explosion, the oceans burst with extraordinary new life. Predators, swimmers, crawlers, and armored creatures emerged, forever changing the history of life on Earth. From those tiny beginnings, evolution never stopped. Over hundreds of millions of years, life gave rise to fish, mighty dinosaurs, soaring birds, powerful mammals, and finally, humans. Every living thing is part of the same incredible story. From a single cell to every forest, ocean, animal, and human alive today, it all began with the first spark of life. And Earth's incredible story is still being written.